What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks for tuning into the build. Today we are going to be working a bit on the front end of the car. I just got the front bumper on at the last video at the end of it, and we're going to go ahead and try to get some more brackets made up for the back part of it. That way it'll be a little bit more sturdy. As you can see, it's just kind of sitting on there. I used up those little ties, which you see everybody using them. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but they work for the bumper. They're easy to release. I may try to get some clips that pop in that are kind of hidden, but I'll have to do some research on that. But yeah, for now, we're gonna go ahead and try to get this bumper a little bit more sturdy on the car, and that way I can start making the other side pieces and splitters and all that other stuff. So let's get to that right now. Put them on the inside of the fender right here, and they kind of line up. I'll bring you guys over there. And they kind of line up with the outside of the fender right here, so the bumper will sit flush, and I can attach it to that. I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole here, drill a hole here, attach it to the fender, and actually tap 2 holes here, so I can directly mount the bumper to this aluminum piece. So the aluminum piece will be there, bumper will sit on top, 2 bolts will screw into the aluminum, and that'll hold it. I'll probably put another one down here for added strength, and then there'll be other various braces and brackets, but that's basically the gist of it. It'll go right there, and the bumper will mount to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll see how it works. So this is the outside right here. This faces outside and goes right here. And basically all I did was lay this on top of this, punch some holes to mark it, and now this is the inside of the left side, the driver's side. So this piece faces the inside of the car, and this outside piece is where the bumper will sit against. So basically I just replicated this exact bracket, and now I'm making it for the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and drill it out. So there that is. I'm going to go ahead and bevel these edges and fix these holes and tap this one out. So I'm going to get to that. So I just went ahead and I got the whole front bumper mounted up, and it's pretty sturdy now. But before I did that, I went ahead and I cut some vent holes all in the front and a radiator hole up here. Actually, you can see there's a tiny little radiator back in there, which is going to be used as my secondary when the big radiator is in the back. I want some little up front. No real reason. I don't know. I'm just being. It's just I want it. So it's up there. But yeah, now that the front bumper is all secured, we can go ahead and start working on the splitters and getting the other body kit pieces made up. So I'm gonna cut to the footage of the vent holes being made now, and then we'll move on from there. So here it is. So I just got started on making a splitter. I got the piece that I'm going to use set up underneath the car. It's just propped up underneath there. I'm going to go ahead and trace out what I want to use. Not really trace out actually. I'm going to go with 75 millimeters, so I have my calipers set to that. And I'm just going to use them to scribe around it by using the bumper's edge. So it'll be a perfect line around it of what my lip kit already is. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and scribe that out, get it marked up, and then go ahead and cut it and see where we're at. All right, so there it is. I went ahead and I got that front splitter cut out of the piece of wood, the board that you saw set up underneath the car. Luckily, it didn't take me very long to get the size and shape right that I actually wanted. I actually went a little bit smaller than the 75 millimeters that I was talking about, down at like 55 right now, I think, and it's plenty. Anything bigger than that, and it kind of starts to look weird. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it at 55 millimeters, but I just left there to go to Home Depot. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a few more pieces of that board. That way I can make up a side skirt for the other side, and then the final splitter that I'm actually gonna use to replicate a shape onto whatever material I decide to use for the final splitter. I actually think I'm gonna try to go ahead and make a carbon fiber one, so that wood might end up being used as a template for a mold. So we'll find out. I don't know. I have to look into all that stuff and figure out how long it's going to take and the process on all that. So I'll let you guys know. But right now, like I said, we're going to head to Home Depot and grab this board, get over to the shop, and start cutting away. All right, guys, so there's the splitter. I went ahead and I got it put up underneath the car, and it's looking pretty good. I now need to go ahead and figure out some sort of way to mount it to the actual lip and the bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure that out in the next video. And I'm also gonna go ahead and try to use up that piece that I originally cut and do something else with it. Maybe another piece on top, like underneath, that comes out a little farther and then ends here. And then I'll mold it all together and then carbon fiber over it or whatever. I don't know, I haven't really figured it out yet. But yeah, we're gonna call it quits for today. And next video, I'll start with this splitter again and we'll see what we can make out of it. So until next time, guys, simply build.